Although no-fault laws made it easier to file for divorce, they didn't make it easier to complete a divorce. Even if your spouse is in total agreement and wants to end things on a happy note, you need the approval of a family court, presided over by a family court judge. But family courts can be like the Wild West, because certain rights provided by the U.S. Constitution do not apply in family court. The Constitution states that you're entitled to a trial by jury and an attorney if you can't afford one.
All kinds of basic mechanisms that exist in the criminal and civil courts in this country don't exist in the family courts.
The family courts call themselves courts of equity, not courts of law. Although it's not written anywhere in our federal or state constitutions, family courts have given themselves a pass on juries.
Juries keep you honest because they're 12 people who are going to make a decision based on how they look at things. The judge is a jury of one.
In a family courtroom, the judge dominates the proceeding.
In my world, where there's no jury, you are the decision maker. I'm more comfortable with that.
In family court, you don't have the right to an attorney if you can't afford one.
Litigants have no right to counsel.
The right to an attorney did not apply, and the Constitution of the United States did not apply.
One would think in a court where there is no jury and where you are not given the right to an attorney, our government would simplify the rules and make it easy to represent yourself.
At a moment's notice, the judge will recite a civil code or procedure code or a family local rule code or whatever. You'll ask for a clarification, and the judge won't give you the clarification. It always comes back as, well, you should know.
We use terms like order to show cause, notice of motion. They're not really user-friendly except for attorneys who are familiar with them.
The court is not a friendly environment. People are there without an attorney. For a judge, they're an irritant because they don't know the system. They don't know the procedure. They don't know how to do this. They don't know how to do that.
If you are a litigant who is acting as his or her own attorney in a family court, you can often turn the judge against you just by means of the way you behave, your lack of familiarity with etiquette of the courtroom, speaking out of turn.
They don't know what's going on, and there's nobody there to guide them.